guys, so this is the first day of the Midea Power of One convention. And nandito tayo sa... Ay, hindi nakita. Dito tayo sa Radisson. Park Inn by Radisson. And in a couple of minutes, pupunta tayo sa venue which is SMX Clark, Pampanga. So, pupunta na tayo sa venue from hotel. And now guys, nandito na tayo sa venue which is the SMX Convention Center. So, ayan. Ayun nga, pumasok na tayo sa SMX Clark. Naiwan ako ng aking mga kasama. Hindi ko alam kung nasan sila, pero sabi meeting, F1 daw eh. So, hanapin natin.
Our isolation program has
Ayan. So, nahanap na po natin sila dito tayo sa Power of One, Midea Con. And, yung gamot mo, nainom mo na ba? Kailangan ng gamot nito. Yung maintenance mo, nainom. Ganun na. Tapos ang maintenance na tayo po, mga kaibigan. Dami. Maintenance. Nakalimutan ko uminom.
Maintenance ka na?
Oo. Sartan, tsaka metformin.
What's that? Statins?
Losartan tsaka metformin.
Sartan?
Statins.
Kailangan mo na ng pare, senior card.
I know. Hindi pa, teka lang, kakakorenta ko lang. Wag muna.
Para discount ba?
kalaban ng Voltes 5.
Kaya nga eh.
Sartan.
I am the beast fighter, Losartan.
Sabi nga nila, pag nag-start ka niyan, partners for life na pare. Partners for life mo na yan.
Totoong mo, true love mo.
Walang iwanan na yan dahil pag naiiyak mo yan, pareho kayo mawawala.
Yan ang forever.
Yan ang forever.
Yan may forever
Yan
talaga.
forever, for life na.
Kaya mga bata, huwag kayong kain na sweets ha.
Ang tamang pronunciation pala, my dear.
My dear ba? Midea ako na Midea. My dear. I'm sorry, my dear. Yeah, but...
Kasi nga daw, my idea.
My dear. I'm sorry, my dear. Okay, so wala pang program. Ano final words mo, Tito Rapi?
Follow for more.
Follow mo yung TikTok ni Tito Rapi. Anong TikTok mo nga?
Tech Patrol.
Tech Patrol. Hindi, akala ko Digital Spidey.
Used to be.
A long time ago.
Magaan siya.
Basta small ring ka, wag Ulanzi. Kasi mga Ulanzi medyo sumasok.
Talaga?
Ito, Lancy.
Di ba yan? Small ring din yan, di ba?
Ulansi.
Ulanzi ba yan?
Hindi mo bet?
Kakalain ko lang sa Ulanzi.
Pero kasi may Ulansi na okay, o Ulansi nga na hindi.
Ate, vlogger ka?
Oo.
Ay! Basically, it's 3. Tapos maximum capacity.
Pinakamabilis 6. Pinakamatagal 11.
Tapos ang maximum capacity.
Subuha ko na lang.
Sure. Any actual sample? So check natin tong Midea cooler. So this is
Inverter 4. May naman ba ito? Malamig ba?
Siya na magbibigay sa inyo.
For this one, ito yung bago naming lineup for the commercial. Kasi meron na tayong inverter
Sorry.
for this chiller. Inverter 4 naman kasi apat na function yung ginagawa niya. So,
Ito yung madami.
stability, even cooling, energy savings, and also yung stability ng kanyang cool. And advantage ito ma'am. So this one, yung model na ang advantage niya ma'am, kasi sa mga resto, nagmo-moist. So yung design ni Maydea, meron kami heater dito sa labas para just in case ilagay siya for sari-sari store, hindi mag-moist yung glass niya. Para hindi mawala yung function niya. Aside from this one, which is yung inverter namin, na newly launch lang din na may sliding glass door. So hindi mo na kailangan buksan at the same time, mas complete yung energy savings.
Saan po ang...
Inuwi mo na yung ano ah.
Kaba mo. Nakadila pa eh. Oh.
Tila.
MVP na MVP na. Wala yung championship ring mo.
Wala ka rin.
Asmore. Thank you. All right. Today, we are not just looking at Mr. Albert Zwo.
From me. What's more, to our valued business partners and distinguished guests from the media and leading voice in the digital space, thank you for joining us today. Thank you for being a part of this meaningful occasion. It's my great honor to welcome my presentation. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of CIC Chairman and President, Mr. RJ.
So in a world we cannot control,
show up for Filipino consumers. Thank you also to our leaders from the Concepcion Industrial Corporation, Sir Jojo, Sir Ram.
We stay committed to doing things properly. We will not just survive change, we will shape it. And we will shape it. So today, let's reconnect, let's realign, and let's recommit, because our strongest chapters are not behind us, they are ahead of us. And so with that, thank you very much.
Thank you to move forward steadily and sustainably. Over the past 3 years, we strengthened our presence across key home appliance categories and expanded our retail footprint, bringing Maydea into more stores, Filipino homes, and businesses. In that time, we doubled the size of our retail business, a clear sign that our growth is not only strong, but also sustainable. What is important is how we grew. In 2025 alone, we delivered positive 22% in air conditioners, even the overall market declined by 14%. In laundry, we grew for 10%, which is nearly twice the pace of the market. And also in refrigerators, we achieved 34% growth, more than 3 times faster than the category. This result shows that across our core categories, we just didn't grow. We consistently outpaced the market, even in challenging conditions. Most importantly, we grew alongside our retail partners with a shared focus on long-term value. But let me be clear, we are not yet where we want to be. Some of our processes and internal capabilities are still evolving, and improvements in execution take time to fully materialize. But what is clear, however, It was what has carried us over the past few years. The strength of the Midea brand, the relevance and competitiveness of our products, and the improvements that we have already made in your retail footprint. These fundamentals allowed us to perform well even as we continue building our own internal capabilities that will support our next phase of growth.
Okay, so break muna from the actual event. Kain muna kami. Ano pagkain natin? Yan. So, pasta and croissant. So, yun, break muna. Tapos after siguro mga 30 minutes, balik ko sa program sa stage. Kundi yung pwesto namin ngayon, ayan lang siya. Alright, now check it back in a little bit.